back to the car 9:10. Okay, 9:10 coming back to the car. So please be on time. 9:10 come back to the car. The bathroom is on your right hand side. Okay, 9:10 everyone. So shall we go? Nah?
Five. Only five. May bayad. Oh my God.
Ba't kanina? This is 5.
Pamalit yan. Ito kamatis. 100. Oo. Ay, di niluluto. Ay, di. No. Ganyan pa yun. Ayun. That's good. Hi, Mom! Enjoy kami. Oh my God. Dili, magayain mo si Mom. Paano umayaw pa mayo na? Oh my God, ang ganda.
Sapon ka to.
Hot spring. Oh. Hing. Tutok doon. Ayun o. Neng, dito, Neng. Dito. Oh, dito. Picturean kita yan. Dito. Sa may hot spring. Go. Ah, dito. Ayan, dyan ka na lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, 100.ขอบคุณค่ะ
Oo, sige. Magkano ba yan? Sinawan ko yan. May mga itimbas namin. Pero sa baba, taka sa taas. Ano to? Ano laman sa'yo?
Okay, so this bread, I love it so much, everyone. It is one of the best bakery in
sandwich.
It was opened in 1997. Okay, at the time, many people were not born yet. 1997. Oh, me too. Yeah. Okay. Even if people was born after 40,000 temples, everyone. Of course, thank you so much, my handsome boy. Yeah. Okay. So in Thailand we have a lot of temple, around 40,000 temples. Wow. Okay. And you can say that 99% of the temple are golden temple. And the rest 1% are white temple, blue temple, and the red temple. Everyone today we don't have a chance to visit the blue